Want to get fit at home in just 10 minutes? You're in the right place. This beginner-friendly, no-equipment workout will boost your energy, build strength, and fit into your busy day. We'll do a quick warm-up, 5 bodyweight exercises, and a cool down, all in your living room. No gym, no gear, just you. Let's get moving. Hit subscribe for more fitness tips. First, let's warm up to get your muscles ready and prevent injury. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Start with arm circles. Extend your arms and make small forward circles for 15 seconds. Then reverse for 15 seconds. Next, do leg swings. Hold onto a chair for balance, swing one leg forward and back for 15 seconds, then switch legs. Keep it smooth and controlled. This warms up your joints and gets your heart pumping. Exercise 1, squats. These build leg and core strength. Stand with feet hip width apart, toes slightly out. Lower your hips as if sitting in a chair. Keep your chest up and knees behind your toes. Push through your heels to stand. Do this for 30 seconds at a steady pace. Beginners, go slow to nail the form. Squats tone your thighs and glutes, boosting everyday mobility. Exercise 2, push-ups. These strengthen your chest, arms, and core. Start in a plank position, hands under shoulders. Beginners, drop to your knees for easier push-ups. Lower your chest towards the floor, elbows bending, then push back up. Go for 30 seconds, keeping your body straight. If it's tough, do fewer reps, but focus on form. Push-ups build upper body power for daily tasks. Exercise 3, plank. This is a killer core workout. Get into a forearm plank, elbows under shoulders, body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your abs and hold for 30 seconds. If it's hard, drop to your knees, but keep your core tight. Breathe steadily. Planks improve posture and core stability, helping prevent back pain. Exercise 4, lunges. These target your legs and balance. Stand tall, step forward with one foot, and lower your back knee towards the floor. Keep your front knee over your ankle. Push back to standing and switch legs. Alternate for 30 seconds. Beginners, take smaller steps for stability. Lunges sculpt your legs and improve coordination for daily movement. Exercise 5, mountain climbers. These spike your heart rate and work your core. Start in a plank position, hands under shoulders. Quickly pull one knee toward your chest, then switch legs, like running in place. Go for 30 seconds at a pace you can handle. Beginners, slow it down but keep moving. Mountain climbers burn calories and build endurance. Time to cool down and relax your muscles. Sit on the floor and extend one leg for a hamstring stretch. Reach towards your toes for 15 seconds per leg, keeping it gentle. Next, stand and do shoulder rolls. Roll both shoulders backwards for 15 seconds. Breathe deeply to lower your heart rate. This prevents stiffness and keeps you flexible. Boom! You just crushed a 10-minute home workout. You're stronger already. Try this daily to build fitness and feel amazing. If you loved this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beginner workouts. Comment below, how did it feel? Or what workout do you want next? Let's keep moving together. See you in the next video.